you doing? Dave Barodinelli here, MarineMax, Quincy, Massachusetts. And today we're aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Helm. This particular boat is equipped with quad 350 Mercurados and joystick control. Starting in the cockpit, you'll see you've got an enormous cockpit here, storage underneath for your generator. There is a cockpit table that stores underneath. This is a fold-away seat, and you do have both port and starboard fish boxes with macerators. Moving forward, underneath this seat here, you do have a fridge box, and there is a fold-out step here for you to put your feet. And this seat does go forward and aft, so that you can sit facing forward or aft. There is a table that sits here, and this helm seat does spin around, so that you can be entertaining both forward and aft. This whole cockpit area is temperature controlled with its own AC heat. Here on the port side, you do have an electric Kenyan grill, as well as storage and isotherm fridge drawer. There's plenty of storage in this boat, stainless steel cup holders, port side bench seat. Moving forward to the helm, this boat has 3 Raymarine 15-inch touchscreens. This will control all your navigation as well as your lights and engine management, as well as your Mercury engine management here, joystick control, and digital throttle and shifts. You've got great visibility here with very little blind spots. You do have a opening shade here so you can get some airflow through. And this boat is equipped with the optional Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. Above head, you'll notice we have 2 sunroofs. Gives you a lot of natural light inside of here. Moving down into the cabin, you do have a fully appointed cabin with a sink here, another refrigerator here. You have a table, high gloss, that goes down with a filler cushion for a bed to sleep to comfortably. Flat screen TV, all of your controls, AC and DC panel, as well as gyro, as well as your chillers here, and your Fisher Panda control for your generator. There's an abundance of storage in here on both port and starboard. Inside of the head, you've got a vacuum flush toilet with a separate shower. Moving forward to the bow, one of the nicest features to this boat is how easily you can close this off and get out of the elements by just doing this. And then you can shut that door, and now you're completely enclosed, as you can see. Moving forward to the bow area, you've got an abundance of seating up here. You do have a beautiful teak table with a cushion that sits on top. This is a power table, so it does go up and down so that you can create a big bed up here. And then you do have storage underneath here. This boat is equipped with a full JL audio system. Again, everywhere you look on this boat, you will find storage compartments. Again, we're on the 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Helm here in Quincy, Massachusetts. My name is Dave Barodinelli, and you can reach me anytime at 401-569-3874. Thanks again for joining us.